Up first this evening, family members, a school community and friends are in mourning following the death of 2 students and a parent in a car crash today in St. James.
The trio died after the car in which they were travelling crashed along the Rose Hall main road. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
A bystander captures telling scenes of the crash moments after it happened along the Rose Hall main road in St. James. Contemplation of the scene about moving one of the injured.
Don't touch her!
Yeah, don't touch her.
Lady, leave her now, lady!
Miss, hey, she's a nurse, leave the lady.
Okay.
Other occupants of the car were still trapped inside when this video was recorded. Our news center later learned that 3 of 6 people who were traveling in the car died. 2 are students of the John Rollins Success Primary and the driver, who is the father of one of the students. The driver has since been identified as Kevin Hamilton of Providence Heights in St. James.
The school is now in mourning for the father of the boy. And we're just trying to keep everybody in our prayers and pray their strength that they will be able to handle the situation.
The injured were taken to hospital.
3 other students are now at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. They were at the hospital, but the injuries are so critical, so they were transported to the Cornwall Regional Hospital.
Our information is that the driver was transporting his child to school when he stopped to pick up his son's schoolmates. The police say excess speeding was the cause of the accident. Reports indicate that Mr. Hamilton attempted to overtake a vehicle and in the process it overturned and ended up in a wall. Just today, Parliament resumed the debate on the revised Road Traffic Act. The Council for the Rose Hall Division thinks the new law will help to reduce road crashes and accidents.
It's time for us to take a stand. I want to take a serious stand as it relates to traffic management in Jamaica. And so we need to make sure that that new law is put in place and the traffic police are on the road. And I also want to appeal to the police to ensure that that stretch of road in the roads are already accident upon this morning.
Principal of the John Rollins Success Primary School, Yvonne Miller Wisdom, wants drivers to always reconsider speeding, especially since a school is in the area.
And I'm just pleading to the drivers to be careful on the road and to remember that it's a school area, it's a school zone. It should be a school zone, and we're just asking everybody to take it easy on the road.
Road traffic deaths now stands at 309 compared to 284 for the corresponding period last year. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.